Morning, everybody. That was weird. TikTok wasn't wanting to go live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay. Now we're live on TikTok. Looks like seventh child is kicking ass. Awesome job. Good morning, Jose Luis. Good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Shit. Am I live on? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube, but let me check that real quick because we have to. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hold on. Yeah, we have to at least monetize that. All right, so we are live. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Sevens, if you can hear me on YouTube. I know you can hear me on TikTok, but can you hear me on YouTube? Good morning to everybody on YouTube. I think I named this thing something about the last chance. About roughly 20 spots opened up for the BriBot. Oh, I have to move that over. That's okay. So your last chance is now. Uh, 20 spots open for BriBot. If you join the VIP private group, which we had so many people apply, but then they had 3 days to join and they didn't, so their loss is someone's gain. Private group, you get access to the BriBot. Notice I said when you, well, I said if you. Notice I said if you join, you get it, which means the first version is ready for you all to test. Bam. I said I'd have it done by Monday. It's done now. I'll be adding you guys. Well, we'll discuss how we're going to do that. But there's your news. Hopefully that means something to you. Oh, geez. I believe I have to go over to YouTube itself now. Fudgicles. Let's see. Because sometimes I don't know why it doesn't pick up on the comments. Yeah, I thought so. There you go. All right. Good morning to you, Grant, Smith, Sog, Doughboy, D. Jones, Mohammed, Joseph Brooks, Martar, Bandit Trader, Grant again, the Almighty Will. I like the name. Kenny J. I want the BriBot. Please tell me how. Sign me up, says Kenny J. How do you sign up? Says J Song. Oh, this got some people's attention. Good morning, Sam K. I'm assuming the VBot. No, that's a bad assumption. I don't know how I'm going to get it out to y'all. I think I'm going to have you guys. Don't know yet. Because not everybody wants to test it, by the way. We see it on YouTube. Says Kenny J. This is Jamie Rojo. All right. Sam K just got in. Yeah. So yeah, how am I going to share it? I don't know, but it is ready to go. I had 2 people test it for me. John Parker and Persistent were able to check it and make sure that it was at least functional on some level. So I'll be sending that out. I don't know. I'll probably send everybody out that's in the group. Yeah. Oh yeah, Persistent. There's Persistent now. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Kia. Good morning, Siobhan View. Welcome to the channel. Joseph Brooks Jr. Oh my gosh, why do they do that on YouTube? They're so weird. Like randomly you just change. Like your name does change. It's weird. Maybe in a Discord group. No, we have to no, I have to share the BriBot through TradingView one-on-one. And this is only a rough version. This is a testing version. This isn't a final version. You remember, you guys are helping to test. What does the BriBot do? It's going to be, when it's finished, a fully automatic trading robot that will open, close trades for you, blah, blah, blah. Let me get this over just a little like that. Good morning, D-Man. What's up? I'm going to need more than 7 thumbs up to stay on YouTube, by the way. I don't know. There's got to be way more than that with you here. Who's here? I don't see how many people are here. Maybe over here. 30. Yeah. You guys better come up with more than 7 thumbs up with 30 of you here. Now, why is it not showing? So weird. All right. So the robot is a fully functioning robot. It's calling out entries and your take profits and that, but these are all just rough. These are just set up for you guys to be able to see visually a trade. I'll do the rules, what you guys are gonna be looking for, how you're gonna look for that I'll be putting into the Discord for sure. So the BriBot is available. How you get it to test, and by the way, to be clear on this, how you get it is you come over to here. Doop. Nope, don't do that one. You come over to here and you apply. The final 20 spots are still, someone already got it, are still open. So you apply to get the VIP group, then you join the VIP group. After you're done joining the VIP group, then you can then you will get access to the BriBot to test. And there's a couple, like 4 different versions of the BriBot coming. So it's going to be, come over to here, click on this, read about this. Thesafetytrade.com is where you go. Then you read about this, what we're looking for, what we're not looking for, what you need to say or do, what you don't need to say or do. It's, oh shoot, I got to update that. It's going to be $1,000 a month for the VIP group if you don't have the service. If you do have the safe trade system, but you don't have the signals or the sniper, the VIP group is $350 a month. And if you do have the sniper, it's $150 a month. That's a net go down. Anywho, so yeah, so that's what that is. You apply to get into the group. We do have some spots open. And then I think we'll have a reapplication for the group every 3 months. So if you can't get in this time, you should be able to get in next time, maybe. Thank you, Kenny G. Good morning, Matt. What's up, Matt? All right, so that's how you get it. Matt, I don't know if you saw this, but we'll be sending out probably an email to everybody that's in the group. From that email, if you want to test it, you'll be able to do it that way. Do not email us regarding this. Do not email us regarding this, but it is coming to you guys that are in the group. I think that's awesome. We launched it early, the private group. We got the BriBot going early for the private group. Yeah, I think that's amazing. Now, when you're testing for the BriBot, some of you are funny. I'll go over the testing things. Oh. Good morning, Bayron on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hold on, let me get over there real quick. I'll definitely check it out and try to do some copy trading. Do you have calls on there daily? I'll start watching the channel to see. Thank you. No. Sweet. We will. The faster calls will be done live. Okay. Now, where is... I don't know where we're at. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, Erica. Are you on GHKQ? What's up, Crash? Should have crash tested too. Happy rising, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Crash. Good morning, Miss Elizabeth. My skin looks so healthy. That's funny. And no, I take nothing. Well, I take supplements. I don't take any of the peptides. Zero. Yeah, my wife tells me that all the time. Precious Bree. Good morning, Atanyo. Atanyo. Good morning, Atanyo. Hope I'm not slaughtering your name. I apologize if I am. Okay, great. I'm interested in testing it for whenever you're ready to let more of us from the VA. No, that's not what happened, Sam. You're confused. The testing for the robot was to see if it was running to be able to be released. Now that it's tested to be able to be released to you all, now I can have it released to you all. It's not that those two people were chosen from the VIP group. Those two people were chosen because Keith has used them in the past. So now that we now know, I know that we can release the robot with any issues of it running / the code being exposed or anything like that, then yeah. So once that's done, now it's released to everybody. So no one got shorted or anything. God, people, I swear. You all should be grateful to God that I'm allowing this to occur. That's all I can tell you. You should be really grateful to God that you're being able to see the BriBot before it's done, that you'll be able to test it for me before it's done. This is a great, this has never been done before that I'm aware of with any other group ever developing a bot. So be thankful that I'm allowing you to have access to the bot to be able to be tested. How about that? We'll leave it at that. For snow ice this weekend. I'm in Nashville, going out of town this weekend. Wish I was there. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's fun if you don't have to live in it. It's a horror show if you do. But yeah, I guess I'm ready. I'm thinking we're low enough south that we won't get hopefully too much of that. And we were heading out of the weekend too to go down to Florida. So I don't know if we'll be able to do. I have no idea. We'll see how it rolls. Always grateful for you and Bree. Thank you, Sam. And I'm thankful to you guys too, but just please be aware that this is something above and beyond even. You can just apply for the waiting list. That's all. 19 spots left or whatever, 18 spots left. And when those are literally done, we're done. First official meeting was on Tuesday, but I had like 3 before then. The first call out we made, speaking of which, let me show you that. I got so much so I can send you a delivery. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Martar. What the hell was I saying? Damn it. Hold on. The 20 slots. Yeah, the 20 slots will be filled. When they are filled, you will be done. You will no longer have access to it. I've been giving everyone opportunity after opportunity. What the hell? What the hell was that? I didn't move that. Did you guys see that? It manually changed. That's fucking really weird. That was weird. Huh. Any rate, yeah. Your final chance to get into the group, your final chance to get early access to the BriBot. The BriBot will not be functional as in taking trades for you. It will be spotting trades. You're not looking for current trades. You'll be looking for past trades. Let me get a little note on that. Make a list. Check it twice. Make small testing. Launch. Okay. Now, nice. Let's go into the Discord so I can show you what it looks like. Hold on. No, yes, right here. Okay. So if you're in the group, you now see new rooms. You see these rooms over here, which probably I'm gonna have to shrink myself at this point. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to shrink myself. Let's see. Maybe this. Definitely not that. Yeah, that'll work. All right. So oh, D Jones wants me to go with the pricing. Sure. Well, let me finish this train of thought first. So what you're seeing is the VIP demo group over here. If you have access, if you don't, you don't even know it's there. It's kind of cool how Discord does that. What you're seeing is a personal, and I have to make a chat room. Typed out Kevin's private calls, upcoming and past meetings, personal demo trade. Right. This is where all my trading is going to be in. But unfortunately, or fortunately, everyone's using that talk, which is cool. Here is John Parker making $226. Here is one of our members. Matter of fact, it's Martar. Yeah, Martar, who's here this morning, is tracking the options. I'm not sure which options he's he's tracking. Probably something to do with Target, Nike, and or United Healthcare. But the one I officially called for the group was United Healthcare, which we'll go over in a second. But we're almost at 80% for him on his option trading with the group. So gotta love that. You can clearly see he's tracking that. That was really cool to see. Great job. This is someone else's. This is Mr. C's. He has, in this particular trades, that's what he's made. And I forgot how much this one, I think he tells us right here. $10,000 before breakfast he made, one of our members in the group. 10,000. Yeah, trust the system and patience. I'm telling that's why I talk about it every day. All right. I couldn't get a hold of this fella. Well, I tried to do it, but that's the way life goes. I'm gonna have to delete that message because I don't think we can get him. Boop. There we go. Here is the trades for Mr. C again. Sorry. Here is the links to the meetings, the old ones. Another meeting. You need to have access to the Discord. Once you purchase, if you don't have access to Discord, I don't know about that. Another meeting here. This is the call out that I made, the first call out done on 1/19. So 3 days ago, I called out at 8 p.m. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor. I'm going to take an option trade, two of the same one, only trade what you can afford to lose. This is a very slow moving option, 1 month, 3 month demo buy stop. It may go down into drawdown a lot, but who cares? Just let it ride. My broker is public. A leap, long-term option to open a position, to buy a call. United Healthcare, January 15th, 2027. Strike price $520, cost $9.55, which is $955. take profit open, but if you're up 30% or more, I would definitely close one. I would definitely think about closing the other when price action hits 520. Remember, there is no max profits on these options. These can go up over 1,000%. The most you can lose is your cost. If it drops just by 2 more later, in fact, I'll post in here if I buy more later. If I'm missing anything on this call out, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck and God bless. So that was my first call out. And we're up. I know at one point, John said you're up over 20% or 30% on that trade already in 3 days. And that's the type of calls you'll get. You'll be getting calls that are made during the live. I'll be flipping over to the private group after every public group, that's for sure. And then they'll have their own public, well, they'll have their own private group meetings. So you'll have options. You'll have the option to take option calls. You'll have the option to take scalping type calls. You'll have signals. You'll have signals that are day trading signals. You'll have signals that are Warren Buffett type signals that take a long time to develop. Now, I've already made some calls in lies, but those are a little different. That's the ones Kim is tracking for us. Good morning, Jake. What's up, Jacob Silva? Good morning, Jake. Can you send those? Can you send me an email? But send the things you're making. Well, just shoot me the awards you're making. Please send the. Where did I put that? Jake makes these cute little things. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, eventually you'll be able to see it. At any rate, this is what he makes, and they are so freaking cool. That means about a dozen of you will be getting the award soon. It depends what service you're currently subscribing to. Yeah, I'll go over the prices for you guys. By the way, this call, Kevin, is already 25% in profit for me, says Mar. So it is 25%. Yeah. Thank you, Martar, for speaking up. Yeah, you'll make money. And the overall, you'll make hopefully very good money. YouTubers, any questions over this? TikTokers, any questions over this? And let me show you. If you come over to here, you click on this, you can see the pricing. I'll move this over so you guys can see it this way. All right. So this is how it's priced. If you do not have the system, it's $1,000 a month. You can get it. You can get join the Discord, get my private group, demo trade only, not a financial advisor, and realize that it's, sorry, we got so many things going on here. There we go. So you can do it this way, or you can do it if you have the OG system, but you don't have any other add-ons. It's $350 a month. If you have the OG system and one of the sniper and or the signals, it's $150 a month. So if you have the signal service and or the sniper, it's $150 a month. If you have the system but no signal service or no sniper, it's $350 a month. If you have nothing and you're just an average person off the street, it's $1,000 a month. I have to update this from 777. It's $1,000 a month. Sevens, if you all understand that pricing, I'll repeat it again. Thank you, Jake. Appreciate that, sir. All right. Now, again, pricing $1,000 a month. Well, I'll write it out for you guys. Here's the pricing for it. I'll write it out. Well, I kind of have it written out, but I'll write it out more for y'all. Pricing for private VIP group. It is without anything, $1,000 a month. With, if you have the system but not the signal or sniper. It's $350 a month. If you have the sniper and or the signals, cost is $150 a month. These are auto draw that you can stop at any time. I would never. Look how consistent I am with my bad spelling. That's funny. Surprised I smelled signals right. I usually fuck that up. All right. Well, now you guys can't mess it up. I wrote it out for you. So if you can't read this, I don't know what to tell you. Good luck in things. VIP group pricing. But again, that's in the write-up there, and you have to apply to get it, so you should take your time and read that over. Oh, geez, I think we just sold 2 more. Yep. Well, we're down to the final 17 slots if you want to test the BriBot out. What's up, Barani? Good morning, Barani. You're welcome, D. Jones. 15, yeah, okay, but 17. We started the program out at 20, by the way, so 3 have gone. It's kind of ironic to me. What's up, Super Z? What's up, Ryan Marcus? What's up, Marley Mar and Sam K, all on TikTok and Bayron. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Let me get out the group here. Good morning, Glowinski. What's up, Mike Glowinski? What's up, Gio? What's up, Sam and Super Z, like I said, and Marley Mar? What's up, Old School Mike, Jose, Ryan, CG, and Eddie? What's up, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch? Let me go back to here. Can the BriBot work off of any stock or future in any time frame? The answer to that question is, I don't know, Brian Invest, because can you make it so that it actually works on those? But yes, that's the object. It will work on any symbol you can track on TradingView. It'll work on any symbol. That's called the single symbol BriBot, and that's the one that everyone will be testing initially. And then we have a multi-symbol for the indices. And then we have just a variety. We have 4 different groups on that. So yes, they'll be working on any stock, any future, any time frame in the future. Not right now. That's why you guys are testing it, because it does not. Well, I don't know if it does or doesn't work on every symbol and everything. That's what you guys are going to test for. I don't know. Maybe, probably, I would guess that's what's going to do. I tried to play back with Uno chart, but on TradingView doesn't show. Have you or anyone been able to find out a way around this? The playback feature, no. My understanding, it does not play back at all. Keith was working on that actually to make it so the playback feature did work. But all I care about, I'm surprised they don't pop up. That's one thing that you should be testing. You're telling me it doesn't? Now, as you play it back live, it should pop up. I'd be surprised that it doesn't show the lines. But you don't need that. All you guys are doing is this right here. I like, for instance, in this case, this is NAS. So on NAS, you'll see, let me get rid of that. You'll see there we go. You'll see it make its calls Now you don't see right here, you don't necessarily have to play it back to see the calls. You just look back manually. What is this, a 1 hour? See, and you flip back. You see all this? Just keep going back and back and back. And then I'll give you guys the criteria of what, and all I really care about is, was there, at this point, was there a substantial drawdown before it made its call or not? And in this case, it didn't make a call. In this case, it did make a call. The green thing is your call. And that's all. And then you keep going back, back, back. So we're already back to May 8th, 2024 on NAS. And then you'd go back, 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 and keep looking. Here's another call right here. I mean, obviously, this is a fantastically great call. You can cheat and see that it went straight up after this call. So you know this is a good call. Here's a call. Did it go straight up? I would have to check into that. Yeah, it looked like there was a little drawdown and then pop, it went up. Now, did it keep going up? No, but it is at the point of it. I'll give you your rules. Like, for instance, for NAS, you're going to want probably a 5 pip minimum profit on this, because this is the medium faster time frames. But at any rate, I'll get into that exactly. I'll probably put a little training video in on how to spot what you're looking for. And so here's another one right here. Did it go up? Was it the right entry? Yeah, it looks real good. That looks like a nice little trade. See, the blue line's where it's thinking about taking the trade. The green line is when it starts to take the trade. Now, why it didn't take a trade right here? Ah, geez. And it went, see, this is concerning. It went orange, pink. Yeah, I don't know. Pink cross right there. It should have took that. See, that's what I mean. Why it's not taking some trades. I don't know. Oh, shit. Did you guys lose me? Let me reload. Morning. Hold on. Oh, great. It's still not showing chat. Fuck. What is wrong with Restream? Do, 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 do. That's weird. All right. Play back with the chart doesn't anyway around this. No, but it's interesting that it doesn't do that. Ronnie, for the BriBot testing, are you going to assign which symbol or group of symbols each person will review and validate? No. I'm going to leave that up to you guys. I don't care if I like multiple eyes looking at multiple, the same symbol, I should say. The early access for bot is only for this first VIP. If we join in the next round, do we still get access? Oh, yes, Bandit Trader. You still will get access to it, but you got to wait until the next round. It didn't take it because R2D2 went red, is my guess, said Crash. Crash is silly. Probably would have caught it on the 75 or 90 minute. Oh, yeah, most likely it's going to catch it, but it should have, when you see the pink and the orange thing like that, it should have caught it. Now, why is it not showing my ugly face here? Hold on. Oh, it is showing it. Okay, we're good. But yeah, when it's thinking is one thing. When it goes pink, when it goes orange pink, why is it not seeing that? That's when that green little line should have came up. If there was, well, there had to be entry. I don't know why it's not showing that either. Hold on, let me refresh this. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Interesting. We have a buy stop, by the way. Hold on. 5 second. Who is this? Naz? It did flip, by the way. I don't know why. So hopefully some of you caught that. Busy over here. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line is going to go right up to there. Doop, 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 right to there. $25,468.10. This is a free money giveaway trade. Damn, I wish we'd have caught it down here, but it is what it is. Yeah, nice. You will see this go up to right here. Boop. It's going to hook. It should hook first. It's got to come back down the purple pink. Then it will hook and come back up and touch that. But that's a side note. It's definitely going there. By the way, it's already there, close enough. Horseshoes and hand grenades. All right. Yep. Touch. Ding, 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 ding. We have our crossing. Nice little beds, probably something like that, but enough if you guys are doing your 20? Okay, yeah, 15, 20 pips. No, that was a great trade. We're good. Damn. That's 15 pips, 17 pips? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let's get the next call here. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. This is nice. Free money giveaway. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. 25,000. Hold on. Right here. $25,492.17. Take any buy stop you can find on NAS or NQ1 until they hit it. And this is a free money giveaway trade. Beautiful. Love this trade.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Weird ass fucks. Damn, stop. Hold on a second. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Buy, stop, buy. Hey, hold on a second. Hold on one second here. Do. Oh yeah. Let's go over here and do a. Okay. Remember I said to do the buy stop on NAS? Free money giveaway. Looks like it's probably a 5-second buy stop to the 10-second blue line. You want to go here, and I'm going to set that alert again, and we'll stay right there for a second. Okay, you're in the money on that buy stop. You can close down the trade if you'd like. This would be this is a trade for the VIP group, but I stayed on the live to tell you because it was just too easy not to. You're in the money. You can close down the trade anytime you like. Feel free. Yay, that's great. Look at it going up before your very eyes. Again, you can close the trade down if you like. There's no reason to keep it open. Awesome. And this is another successful trade called out. You're welcome very much. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. There's no need to stay in the trade. Oh, so the call from the other day. So this is the third call out then for the group. Yay. Well, I made many on the other 3 lives, but just in general. Look at it go up before your very eyes towards the blue line. You're in profit already. Take the money and run. There's no need to stay in the trade unless you're, I don't know, unless you really, really want to or something. Nice. And I know you're in the money because I'm in the money. I took the same exact trade with you. You can close it down if you'd like. I'll come back to that later. Beautiful little, matter of factly. It's going to drop a little more, but we're going to do the buy again. There you go. Then we'll just sit there and wait. I have to do a couple of things, but good morning, Mike Jones. Good morning, Doughboy. The 4 versions of the BriBot. The 4 versions of the BriBot will be priced individually per version. And you would get whichever version you like, if that answers your question. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Good morning, Mike Jones. What's up, Doughboy? Buy stop. Free money giveaway. NAS 10-second buy stop towards the blue line. Anyways, I know you're already in profit because I'm in profit too. You can take your money out anytime, close one down, keep one open, whatever you want to do. Feel free. All right, let me get over here. I think it's raining here. Yeesh. Got it. Thanks. You're welcome, Doughboy. All right. Where do we go from here? I do want to go over some of the, please remember the system is made for beginners and quote unquote experts alike. Feel free. Let me see again over here. Not that. Where is my, there it is. Give me just a second, guys. Where is social media influencer? Oh, you're in the money. You're in the money. You're in the money. Hold on. Yeah, you're in the money. You can close down the trade or you can keep it open. Either or, the choice is yours. These are my trades. I'm going to close this one down. Pop. I'm going to leave this other one open. Pop. And there you go. And this is the trade the other day when I was live with you guys. I think that was 2 days ago. And this is the current trade today, right now. Nice. Take your money. No need. You don't have to stay in it. You can get out of it immediately. Just, you don't need to do whatever. You have all the, oh shit, went back in there. There you go. Let me grab this, move this over here, move that up there, and then that to there, and then this back to here. Nice. Congratulations to everybody. That was a free one for everybody, but that is the exact calls. Perfect. Touchdown, touchdown. We have touchdown to the blue line. It's close enough. We have close enough for NAS. You have the touchdown for NQ1. It's close enough for NAS right there. Beautiful trade. Touchdown, touchdown. You're up 20 pips on the trade, and I know you are because I took the exact same trade. Feel free to take the trades at your own release. Look at that. 20 pips. Beautiful. There's your buy. Nice small one. A little larger one below it. Nice. Going right to the blue line as I called out. You're welcome on that. You're welcome on that. And you're welcome on that. And again, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And you're welcome. There you go. Take your money and run. There's no reason to stay in it any longer than you need to. You can trade. If I can do these trades and other members can do the trades, anyone can do the trades. Now, I didn't finish this. Hold on. Is anybody talking over here? Amazing work. Good, sir. Thank you, Crash. Runners up 1,000 points on MYM after the big drop. Nice, Kirk. 1,000. Matt Park Blue Line trades. Money time. Amen. It is. All right. So where were we? Oh, I got to do that other thing. Sorry. Hold on a second, guys. I don't know. Where is student store manager owner? What the fuck? Sales representative. No. Registered representative. Perfect. No. Management, I guess. Marketing professional. Public relations. What the fuck? A touchdown. We have touched. I can't even get away. Yo. There you go. Boom, diddy, boom, 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 diddy, boom, boom. There it is. There's your buy. There it is. Up 28 pips, up 31 pips, up 26 pips. And there's your take profit, 280, 29. There you go. You can take the money and run, or you can hold it. What would you hold it for, I wonder? Gee, let's see how high this is going to go. How do we know? Oh, there's only a 50. Oh my gosh, you don't have to be a brain surgeon, peeps. Take the buy stop to the 15-second blue line and 10-second blue line, please. Oh my goodness. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Everything else is green. Here you go. Here's Bree's song. Let's all sing along to it. Can you guys hear it?
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you guess which thing is not like the other?
It's not, but it is in this reality. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know. And some of you yet still won't make money on the trade. That is so weird to me. I don't know how you cannot make money on a trade that I called. Look at this. Well, anywho, hopefully you just did okay with it. All right, I got to come back to that though. Let me go back to the 15-second real quick. Wow. Yay, thank you. There we go again. There we go again. I can't even get to it. 15-second buy stop to the blue line. It's right there. Fuck it. Too late. Da 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 da. Public relations, real estate. I am a lowly social media TV radio announcer. Is that all they have? Really? Hold on. Might be. Yeah. Management title. Social media influencer. All right, I'll be right with you guys. Hang in there. Okay, TradingView better learn to fucking chill out. I don't know what it's fucking doing over there. All right, let's see what's going on. Do. Why is it reloading gold in US 30? The fuck? Hold on. Wonder how it's working on the 1 second now. Interesting. Huh. Things that make you say, Oh, let's see if this one's covered. I swear. All right. I think this one goes over here to that one, I believe. We'll move that up. It's like we're using Kev GPT. Crash. You nutty. Wonders up 1,000 points on MYM. Okay, nice. All right, let's go back to what we were looking at. Oh, well, they're backwards, but whatever. I ain't worried about that. Buy, stop, 10 cents. Let's see over here again. 10 second. Okay, what's going on? There we go. Oh, yeah. Buy, stop to the 10-second blue line. What's going on? Is this above? It is. Let's see. All right. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. We'll just wait right there, I guess. Okay. Anybody have any questions over anything? Any comments? Any good comments? Any bad comments? Any happy comments? What's up, Brexit? Anybody have anything they would like to share? Buy stop again for the third time. Free money giveaway to the blue line. NAS 10 second. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that's NAS. Well, neither here nor there. All right. Let me go back out of here, see what's over here. All right. Why is it so far behind? All right. Oh, TikTok. Okay. All right. YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Oh. Everybody hates it when I go quiet, but I don't care. And no one has any questions, really. Wish I could get some more. It's a small account. I could probably go down to a really small amount. All right. I don't know where we're at with everything. I'm so tired. I think we're good. Made a few call outs, really didn't show how to use the system, but it's super, super simple to use. Now, whether you get it or not is a different story. Private group. Yep, that's your pricing. Oh. Coach, when is the next consistency class? It'll be next week. Not sure on the date. The consistency class is basically every other week. Can you help me understand what happened on the 10th? At what time frame, Barani? Can't wait for the next VIP class. Kevin, can we look at gold and silver? Sure. So let me answer those in order. First one was MNQ. What happened? There we go. Micro minis. 10-second. What happened with this? 10-second buy stop to the blue line occurred right here. Let me grab this up a little for you guys. I don't think we can. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Happened at 17:32:10. You could have entered this off the 5-second. It looks like to me it didn't go below right there. 5-second to the blue line did perfect. Then there was a fill in the gap, which is indicative of the 5-second, 1-second buy stops that I was calling. And that's it. Now it's rebooting right now. And let me see where we're at with the rest of that. Yeah. It did exactly as was called. What do you mean? Maybe I'm missing something there that we were just looking at on the key spot. How is Naz looking? What's up, Kia? What we were looking at on, well, MNQ isn't on there, but I know what you mean. It's the same thing. 10-second. Naz is a 10-second buy stop to the blue line, 15-second buy stop to the blue line, 30-second buy stop to the blue line. You can, it's literally telling you that. So I'm confused on what you're asking. It's telling you what it's doing. The BS's means buy stops. Whatever. There's your 5-second. There it is. And then it will come back to the 10-second. I think some of you forget trading is non-linear. Trading is 30-second buy stop to the blue line, 1 minute buy stop. Oh shit, I wish I can get more. Fuck, hold on. There we go. You're in the money on all buy stops that I've issued, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It's going to do exactly as it's called. I don't understand whatever. Can you help me understand NQ? I don't know how to help you. I don't know what you're asking. Can't wait for next VIP class. Yes, I love that too. Can we look at gold and silver? All right, gold and silver. Sure. Let's look at gold and silver real quick. Why is that there? Nope. Yep. All right, let's look at gold and silver. First thing we always look at whenever we're trading a symbol is we go over to that symbol's rifle. Wait for it to pop up. Looks to me like it was a 10-second buy. Yeah, there we go. All right, and then we see that the overall is green, which means up in my system. Green is a buy or a buy stop or up. So there's nothing we can do with gold at this moment. It looks like it's pretty much finished on a beautiful little buy stop. Yeah, there's one right there. Let's see the 1 hour. There's the 1 hour. Told you the 1 hour buy stop is perfection. Every time gold is just like clockwork. So easy to trade. We haven't made a mistake on gold since we've never made a mistake on gold since Kimberly Harrington turned us onto it at about $1,300 an ounce. And we've called it all the way up, all the way up. Gold is at record highs. There's nothing left to call for gold. I called these record highs before any news, before anything. Yeah, there's nothing to do here. Now, silver is probably going to be the exact same thing. I'm kind of hoping it's lagging, but we'll see. Silver and gold run together. Their run. What is that called? Well, at any rate, ride and die or some bullshit. So this is silver. It's also all green. Yeah, that's indicative that it's already done its move. And you're done. Look at silver. Look at fucking silver. I called it to go over $95 an ounce, and there you sit at $95 an ounce. I'm calling it to go over $100 an ounce for silver. Someone's out of their bonking mind. They are manipulating the hell out of this. Nothing to call for silver, nothing to call for gold. They've all done exactly as I wanted them to do and called them to do, and they did exactly that.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Now, that takes care of silver and gold on all our indices. Yeah, this is gorgeous. 10-second buy stop again? Fuck. This is such easy money. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. NAS and NQ1. I should really break off and do a private group right now. Do I have time? I don't have time. I got to go. Fuck. Well, at any rate, easy money, right? What I'm doing. We'll meet in the middle, I guess. You going much higher. That must hold to let shares go higher. It's not how we trade, Michael Anthony, but welcome to the channel. It has nothing to do with what's happening on the charts. Nothing. But again, people have been brainwashed into thinking support and resistance actually works. It does not. All right. Yeah, I'd love to break away. I just cannot do it. Don't worry. We'll be having a private class either later today or tomorrow. And yeah, we'll get that rolling. And then we're going to get the BriBot out to you guys. Oh, shit. You know, wasn't that what I was looking for? Hold on. Did I not see that? Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Right there. Like, damn, that's what I need. This is the VIP private group, trading group. You get access to the BriBot. So you guys will be getting access either later today or tomorrow. We'll see. It's coming, or Sunday, but it's coming. Anybody have any questions, concerns, anything at all? All right, TikTokers, I'm going to go ahead and go. You're in the money on all call outs that I made this morning. You're welcome. All the call outs are in money. Let's see how that looks. Hold on. Yeah. Touchdown to the 10-second blue line, touchdown to the 10-second blue line, to the 15-second blue line. And again, I don't understand if these were the only things red and the rest of this was green. It doesn't take a rocket scientist for you to figure this out. If you're not making money, you really have to do better. Top center. This is bottom right. And now let's see if we can get these things looking a little different. There you go. And why didn't this one change? There you go. Okay, now we're back to at least normal. This is a buy side. Yeah, so we're good. All right, I gotta go. All right, talk to y'all later. God bless. See you on TikTok. YouTubers, any questions before I go? Any questions? Oh. All right. Lifetime commissions. What's up, lifetime commissions? NQ hit the blue line. Nice. You're welcome, Sam. Brian Invest. VIP gets access to BriBot today or tomorrow. Yeah. The answer to that is yes. Today, tomorrow, I don't know. One of those days. Next day. I never rush anything. If it's not ready to be released to you, I will not release it to you. When it is ready, which it is, I will release it to you. It'll be in a day or two. What did you call out and what did you mean a few minutes ago? Welcome to the channel, Michael Anthony. You might want to go ahead and look at what you're witnessing. I'm calling out exactly where price action is going to. This is NAS, this is NQ1, this is ES1, this is, this is SPX, this is ES1, this is US30 and YM1. We trade them all as one because they all trade as one. What I'm telling you is I'm telling you where the price is going before it's going there, and it's going there. I'm telling you that it's going to go up to that blue line, and it will go up to that blue line. Is it linear? Does it go straight up? No. What matters is there a buy stop or a sell stop that's going there? Over to the, and you'll see that I have, well, technically I have over 2,300 videos now, only 1,100 of which you guys can see. I've been doing this for years and years. This is the live call outs, and this is the ones you should go back and watch me call out my lives calls every day. And matter of fact, they're getting switched over to the VIP group. For now, you'll have 1,100 videos you can watch and see me make my call outs and what I actually use and how I make these decisions. Then you can see how accurate I am. If anybody would like to speak up for whoever this guy is, I don't even know his name. There you go. See how it's going right up there? Doop, doop, doop. I'm sure we already hit the 10-second blue line, by the way. Yep. 10-second blue line is ricochet hit. It's going to come back down, hook, and do it again. It's going to come right back up to that blue line again. And you're in the money again. And that's what we're doing here. Good morning, John Parker. What's up? You're welcome, Brian. Have a good day, Martar. You too, buddy. You're welcome, Mike Jones. It's a lot to take in lifetime commissions. It's a lot to take in. Who was the other fellow? Michael Anthony. Yeah. Martar said, buy the system. It's worth it, says Mar. I'm laughing. I didn't even ask. Yeah. And for those of you who are new here, like lifetime commissions and Michael Anthony, just look at the blue people with the blue names. Those are the people who've been with me a year or more. And some have been with me 3-4 years or more. So that should tell you something right there. 15-second blue line hit. This is the, 15-second blue line hit. Told you exactly, who was that? Michael Anthony. I told you exactly where it was going, and it hit it and went past it. Not only did I tell you that, I showed you it before it happened, and I am trading with you all the same trades. If I'm calling them out, This is the day and the time that just happened. This is the trade, and this is up 25 pips on this one. This is up over 100 pips on that one. And that's 25 pips and going, by the way. So there you go. And you're welcome on the calls. Take your time. There's no rush on any of this stuff. Learn it. I've been here for years and years and years. You'll learn the system, and then you can buy it, and then you can support what's making you money. I'm on here doing these lives every day. You're welcome, Doughboy. Thank you for being here. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? I'm sorry the TikTokers missed to see that, but their loss, your guys' gain. Coach, United Healthcare is cranking. Let's take a look. What are our options up to today, John? Let's go over to United Healthcare. I called out my first call in the private trading group was a United Healthcare buy. Oh, we're just getting started, John. You're not even at the tip of the iceberg. We have to go all the way up there. John's going to be so happy with those options. Those options are going to pull in probably 1,000%, maybe more than 1,000%. Oh my gosh. On my first call, can you imagine the first trade I ever call officially in the private group and it goes up over 1,000%? That's going to be funny. I don't know what the options are at, though, so I don't know how to answer that for you guys. Fucking awesome. Oh. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless. Everyone have a great day. Remember, if you're interested in getting the group or getting early access to the BriBot, you can head over to here and you can see the 17. Is there 17 for real? Yep, 17 items left. Damn, 3 of them. Well, we were at 20 at the beginning of the show. And then this is the VIP group, and this is literally the final 17 slots because that is our finish of the people who signed up and didn't get it, which is silly. I don't know why they would spend $1 and didn't get it. Mine is up 43%. Bronny, 34. Oh, okay. Thanks. Well, here, let me post that in the little group thing real quick. Let's see. 43%. 43% on those United Healthcare options. When did I call those? I called, 3 days ago or something? One demo trade and let one run wild. You guys think I'm funny if you think it's funny as hell to me. At any rate, all right. 2 days ago, I'm close to 30% now. Have a good day, John. Up 43%, up 34%. Jesus. All right, guys. Well, if you want call outs like that, join the VIP group. Because trust me, the days of me calling these for free on here are done. It's over with. Understand that I buy stocks as an investment. Michael Anthony, yeah, it's a little different way of looking things. You've just woken yourself up to the correct way of trading. If you have time to learn it, learn it. If you don't, then just chill, sit back, and enjoy yourself. Because it is a little bit to learn. It's like learning a new language. My beautiful wife always says. Some people learn languages quickly, some don't. Oh, good. I have oh my gosh, the chat's back. Yeah, see, now I can show the chats. Oh, there we go. I don't understand that I buy stocks as investments. Yeah, you don't know what, no offense. Just take your time and learn. That's all. Especially when you hit a snag in your trading and all of a sudden you're not making the money you thought you were making. Come back and see. Come on. Son of a gun. How about now? I'm close to, oh, good. It's working again. See you, coach. Have a good day, John. Mine is up 43%. Nice, John. Mine is up 34%. Nice, Barani. You're welcome, Doughboy. All right. Michael Anthony, is there anything else I can help you understand before I go? And I have to go soon. I mean, this is already on over the time limit. I got to go. Michael Anthony or anyone else. I don't know who that other new fellow was. Somebody else was here new. I don't see the dude's name. I don't understand. I don't understand. It does say the safety trade right there, by the way, in case you guys can't see that. Right there, right there, right there. And there, and there, and there. Okay, I don't know. Somewhere around there it is. All right. Well, I can't sit around here forever. So if anybody has any questions, ask. If you don't, I got to run. 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. No questions? All right. Got to go. God bless. Everyone have a wonderful day. Yay. Talk to y'all later. I don't understand. Well, that was fun. That was a nice, easy one. Let me crash out of that.